One of the advantages the HIMARS has is its mobility. It's a wheeled vehicle, so it's much faster, it can go to a lot more places than a tracked vehicle. It's also mobile in that it can get on an aircraft and fly to austere airfields to extend its range. The rockets, which are 6 to a pod, can fire up to 70 kilometers, while the guided missile can fire up to 270 kilometers.
Veidiem. Un, kā jau minēju, pēc scenārija šajās mācībās tad mehanizētai brigādē nav ieroču sistēmas, kur var sasniegt mērķi, un tad citi bruņotie spēki sniedz mums atbalstu.